Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a quick 5-minute Friday unboxing video. I wanted to share with you my recent purchase from BujoPlanner on Instagram. She actually posted some photos in the Facebook group. I think it's the Traveler's Notebook Forum one on Facebook, and this was several weeks ago, maybe several months ago, and one really stood out to me, and so it kind of prompted me to reach out to her. But I remember seeing her covers on some of the accounts that I follow, and yeah, it prompted me to contact her and order one Traveler's Notebook sleeve from her. And she was also very kind enough to send me these leather samples. I decided to join her Patreon, and she was kind enough to send me the leathers that she has currently available. And this is the leather sleeve. It is beautiful. I chose the lavender pocket in the front and the burgundy leather as the main part, and then it's like a light brown. I think it's, oh, I don't remember the actual name of the brown, but I chose the brown for the inside pocket. I did not go for any elastics. I don't have like a folio or sleeve for the regular sized Traveler's Notebook, so I decided to order that with her. I told her I didn't mind at all the ragged edges or anything. I prefer like the natural edge, so that's what she chose for me. This lavender leather is very nice. It's not thick, and which is okay. I don't really have a preference, but especially for the front pocket, I appreciate that it's very lightweight. It reminded me very much so of the Sojourner leathers and how travel friendly they are. So here's a comparison of the Roadrunner from Sojourner. To be honest, I should have compared the sand or seed that I have. And I don't know why at the time of filming I thought this notebook cover that I just recently bought was for my weeks, but I later realized that it's for my regular size Traveler's Notebook. So I put the weeks in there and I realized, oh gosh, this is way too big. It's swimming in my cover, and I didn't understand why. And then I realized later, oh yes, I ordered the regular size Traveler's Notebook. That's why it doesn't fit. But anyways, so I'm getting out the insert that I have in my regular Traveler's Notebook, and I'm just putting that in and seeing how that fits. And like I said, there's no elastics, but if you want, you can order a Traveler's Notebook style with the elastics in the middle. So here is a comparison of all the three leathers with like, hopefully you can see them close up. You can pause it if you like, but they're very similar. I want to say the Traveler's Company is probably the thickest out of the three, and Maria's probably is the thinnest one, but Maria and the Sojourner one from Rowena, they're very similar in terms of thickness. But the leather from Maria from BujoPlanner, they're all very like suede type. And if you have a certain color that you're looking for or a certain texture you're looking for, you can definitely reach out to her. She has different types of textures of leathers, so and she's always changing things up, I think, and she's always purchasing different types of leathers as well, so you can always ask her. And she's just a one-man show, and she's doing this, I think, from her own apartment or her own house, and she's just creating these Traveler's Notebooks and sleeves. Here I am trying to figure out where I can put this craft folder that I have. I want to be able to have both the notebook insert as well as the craft folder. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to, I end up using the elastic and just passing it through the spine of each insert, and then I just do it that way, and it works out great, and it fits really nicely. There's no overhang, which I don't really mind the overhang anyways, but it fits really nicely, and I find myself constantly touching and petting this Traveler's Notebook because it is so soft, and you can see here I'm already playing with it. I really like this lavender color pocket. I really like the burgundy as well. I feel like I could definitely use this for the autumn season as well. But anyways, this is the quick video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye bye.